Fox Gamers, Fox Gamer here, and welcome to episode 7. I think it's 7. I think it's episode 7, and today we are building a blacksmith or a barracks. I don't know what it's called. Is it a blacksmith or a barracks? Anyways, that's what we're doing today in episode 7 of Survival Series. And yeah, so first things first, we need to find where we want to put our place. But first, guys, I have something to show you. I have slime balls. Did you see? I had slime balls. Say slime balls. Alright, so I also have this to show you. I have completed my enchanting area, but those parts aren't really filled yet, so maybe it's not complete. Okay, so I am gonna need first, I'm gonna find a place for my what was it called? A blacksmith or a barracks? I still don't know. Anyways, so yeah, I will find a place for my place, and I will see you guys later. Oh, we can't grab black stuff yet. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Right now. Alright, guys. So we are up on this mountain, and I think this is where we are gonna put our blacksmith. But where exactly though? Maybe over there. Yeah, let me just clean that place up real quick, and I'm gonna just clean it up right now. Alright, guys, and we have cleaned it up. Now it's time to the frame. We need the frame real quick, and yeah, I don't know where to put it. So yeah, I'ma just try this. I'ma just try what I'm. Anyways, I'm just gonna play around with this for a little bit. Alright, guys, I decided I did not like my last style, so I needed to change it. So this is where we're gonna put the furnaces. Alright, there's our furnace right there. That's where our furnace is gonna be. And yeah, I think we need a something. So we grabbed our stuff, and yeah, I just grabbed a bunch of stuff then, and there we go. We got some furnaces, or do I want them on the side? I don't know where to put them. Should I just destroy them? I don't know what to do. Alright, so I think I don't like this part. I think we should put them at the side, because I'm gonna need a what was it called? The thing that pulls up the fire? A chimney! There we go, a chimney. I'm gonna need a chimney right here, and we're gonna place campfires in it. So first, let's do this thing, that and that and that and that 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 da 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 da. Alright, so this is where we're gonna put our campfires. And yeah, so we are gonna do spruce gate right there, and we're gonna put some fences right there, and yeah, I don't know. Let's just place some fences, and yeah. So what we're gonna do next is another part, but first we're gonna design the logs with spruce logs. That way it will make it look burnt. Yeah, okay, so let's destroy those 2 blocks and that 1 block down there, and the top block, and this middle block, and this bottom block. No, never mind, not that bottom one. Alright, so I don't like it, but I don't know. I don't know how to build, okay? Alright, so we're gonna do some stone slabs. And this is gonna be the roof. We're gonna build the roof now, and yeah, I'ma just try to get up there once I finish this. And how will I get up? Let's just use some cobblestone. Alright guys, so I will see you guys when I have done this for a little bit now. I will see you guys right now. Not yet. Right now. Now. Alright guys, so yeah, I think this is how I want it, and yeah, so I don't know why I keep saying yeah, but yeah, and yeah, I'ma just do this other part real quick. This will be the storing area for the ores. I'm gonna need this because I'm gonna need a lot of ores soon. Yeah. Alright guys, we are here, and why do I still keep saying yeah? And I have a problem. So we're just gonna finish this part real quick. Break that block real quick and break those sunflowers. Never mind, I don't wanna. So we're just gonna do this real quick. Alright guys, now we are here, and I don't know how to do this. How I will build this part of the roof. But hopefully we can try and do it. Hopefully guys, we can do it. So I'ma just finish this roof real quick, and I'll see you guys later right now. Alright guys, we are here, and it is almost nighttime, and I don't think I like that, so I'ma just get rid of it and put it right like that. And there we go, and there we go. I think it looks good for a not so good builder. Rate my building skills on a 1 to 10. Please don't rate run, because I'm bad. Alright, so now we're just gonna place down some torches, and yes, so why do I still keep saying yeah? I'm trying to avoid it right now. I have it in my memory. Don't say yeah, my brain is saying. So I'm just fix this place real quick. I am not gonna say it, and so we need what do we need? Oh, I need to find a place for the barrels. Anyway, I'll see you guys later when I find the barrels a place. Alright guys, you thought that I was going for down there, but it's actually up there, and I tricked you because it didn't look good. So that's where I'm just gonna put the furnaces now. Those bottom part and the top part. Or maybe I'll make it a furnace wall. A 3 by 3 by 1. 3 by 1 by 3 by 3. I think that's how it works. I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, I don't know what to say. I just said yeah. Why? Oh, come on. So we are just gonna fix this place up real quick. And I will see you guys when I am done with my build. Or sometime like that. I don't know when I'm done with my build, okay? It's up to me in the future to decide whether what past me will do. Okay? Alright guys, we have our campfires and let's place some there. And I think I am gonna need I keep forgetting the flipping word. Let me think of the word. What was it? Chain mill? No. I know what it is, but I don't know what it's called. A smoke. I can't remember. I still can't remember. Why can I not remember? Let's just call it the smoke sucker. I don't know. I know what it is, but I don't know what it's called. I don't remember. I forgot. Alright, so yeah, so we're just gonna fix up this roof real quick. And I will see you guys when I am done with my roof. Never mind, we are done. We're almost done with this roof anyway. This will be quick. Anyways, that's a wrong placement. And I have iron armor, by the way. Did you see that, guys? And yeah. So that's not high enough. How will we make this higher? Anyways, let's just design this first. I have already thought of a way. And we're just gonna put more campfires on right there on the spruce slabs. So I will see you guys when I have some more campfires right now. My aunt told me to say that because I will be hard on editing, because I will be the only one that will be editing my videos and stuff. And there we go. Campfire, we got it. There we go. I still can't remember the name. And anyways, I hope you guys like my build. Please rate it. What now? By a scale of 1 to 10, that's a really high smoke right there. Wish I had hay bales. Just looks like that we have more smoke. So yeah, I also have a surprise for you guys in the mines. You guys can probably guess what it is, but there are some special ads. Not ads. I keep forgetting. So, I will see you guys later. And I was mining and I found these, as you guys thought. And how many we got? I think we got 6. Yeah, I think we got 6 or 7 or 8. And we got 1 emerald, not just 1 emerald. I think we got 7 diamonds, by the way. Not just 1 emerald. Not 1 emerald. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Come on. Where is it? Not 2 emeralds. Not 3 emeralds. Not 4 or 5 emeralds. Not 6 emeralds. Not 7, but 8. There we go. There it is. So we got 8 emeralds while I was mining. We're probably down, and then I forgot what. I keep forgetting stuff today. Anyway, so this is also where I find the slime balls later on in the last video. Wait, was it 8 or 9? I think it was 9. What? How did I count? You guys check. You guys check my counting. If I was wrong or right. Also answer that in the comments because I don't know. I don't watch my own videos. I just like and subscribe to them. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Survival Series. And please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications and rate my build.